Namaskar. Today, let's explore a topic that might be very simple but holds great importance in our daily life, and that is salt. You may say that this is an ordinary ingredient found in every kitchen all over the world. But you see, beneath the humble appearance of salt, there is a lot of diversity. Today, let's see its various forms and find out which one is best for you. Let's begin with Himalayan salt, which is mined from the majestic Himalayan mountain. It comes in perfect pink crystals and it is one of the purest form of salt. It is rich in trace minerals like calcium, potassium and magnesium. It adds more than just flavor to our dishes. Next, we have iodized salt, which is commonly available on our tables. It is enriched with iodine, which is a vital micronutrient required for your thyroid health. It is important to ensure that you get a daily dose of iodine to prevent any iodine deficiency disorder. Finally, let's explore Celtic salt, which is harvested from the beautiful coastal region of France. With its grey color and briny flavor, it is a favorite among culinary experts since it is packed with minerals like magnesium and calcium. It's more than just a seasoning. So, which salt is best? Each salt brings its own uniqueness to the table, from Himalayan's purity to iodized salt iodine and Celtic salt mineral richness. But remember, moderation is important. The good idea is to include diversities of salt in your diet according to their availability and your requirements. It is recommended to consume Himalayan salt or Celtic salt in most of your preparations. But don't avoid iodized salt altogether. Use it sparingly so that you don't miss out on your body's iodine requirement. Remember, balance is the essence of healthy life. In the end, it is not just about the salt we choose, but the intention behind it to nourish our body. On the whole, for good health, you must not consume too much salt. Pay attention to other aspects of your health too, such as having nourishing home-cooked food, sleeping well, finding time to exercise, finding time for meditation, and enjoy the closeness of nature. So, eat well, sleep well, stay well, and you will see that your body also functions well. Namaskar.